पीछे तक आवाज जाए।
How are you?
I'm
Hi,
fine.
say.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine.
And you?
I'm
जोर
also
से speak loudly.
I'm also fine. What's your name?
My name is Ladli Kumari, and your and what's
My
And your name?
and your name?
My name is Bhavna. Where are you from?
I am
I am from.
from
कहाँ से आती हो?
Mukundpur.
मुकुंदपुर. What is Mukundpur?
What is Mukundpur?
Mukundpur is a village.
How is your village?
How is your village?
My village is good.
Do you like your village?
Do you like your village?
I like
Yes, I like my village.
Why do you like your village?
Because
Because
I live in my village.
I live in my village,
So,
so I like
My village.
Why are you come here?
I am
Come here
here
To learn English.
to learn English
Why do you want to learn in English?
because English is
Very
important
important.
in my life.
So
So I like English.
I learn English.
I learn English.
How do you practice at home?
बोलो.
Uh,
कैसे practice करते हो घर पे? बोलो. I practice.
I practice with my brother.
Brother. Ask me question.
Ask me question.
पूछो.
Uh, what is the topic?
My topic is my computer.
Can you tell me about
Something
your topic?
about computer.
Yes,
I can tell you.
I can tell you
Something about
my
computer.
computer.
ठीक है. जोर से बोलो. रे सांद्रा.
Computer is an electronic device, and its a screen is like a
ओ बहन सांद्रा.
television. This is called a monitor, and
Bravo.
it is a color monitor. It has a CPU. It has keyboard. All the numbers, letters, and symbols are
जो
printed
पढ़ेगा वो
on
बोलेगा.
it. When I press the buttons, the letter are come up on the screen, and it is very useful for me. And
अरे
I
देखो अगर
operate
बारीकी से
very
पढ़ता
carefully.
तो कहता ना कि जब बटन दाबते हैं तो स्क्रीन पर उग जाता है. कितना बढ़िया बोली कम अप ऑन दी स्क्रीन. इससे ध्यान में अच्छा उगना तो फल भी उगता है, पेड़ भी उगता है. इसका मतलब क्या? ठीक है. पूछो. What is the full form of CPU?
What is the full form of CPU?
It's
The full form of CPU.
Central Process Unit.
Have you ever used computer?
Have you ever used computer?
Yes.
I have used computer.
Yes, I have used computer
Many times.
many times.
How do you feel
How do you feel
when you
when you
operate
operate
the
the
computer?
computer?
I feel
अब
that
देखो भाई गाड़ी चलाना ड्राइव, कंप्यूटर चलाना ड्राइव नहीं, ऑपरेट. ये सब ध्यान रखना. बोलो.
बोल दिए.
Ask me question.
Ask me question.
जोर से बोलो ना, जोर से. जो ही बोलो लेकिन जोर से बोलो.
Do you know how to operate computer?
क्या तुम्हें कंप्यूटर चलाने आता है?
Yes.
Yes, I know
I know
how to
operate
the computer.
कब चलाती हो?
When do you
When do you
operate the computer? कब चलाती हो
operate the
कंप्यूटर?
computer?
Then
कंप्यूटर क्लास से कहीं जाती हो क्या?
नहीं घर पे.
घर पे. बोलो. When I go home,
When I go home,
then
then
I study online.
study online.
That time
That time
I operate the
I
computer.
operate the computer.
How do you feel
How do you feel
when
when
you
operate the
operate the computer?
Yeah,
I feel very
I feel very good
good when I
when I
operate
operate the computer.
computer. Can you tell me one answer?
Can you tell me one answer?
Which type of device?
Which type of device?
Which type of device is mouse? Output या input?
Output या input?
Input.
Mouse is
Mouse is
an input device.
an input device.
If you don't mind, can you ask me question?
कहीं नहीं कि कहीं नहीं.
Can
तुम पूछना चाहती हो ना?
can
कहीं नहीं ask.
Can I ask you question?
Yes, of course.
Of course.
Speak loud. जोर से बोल.
Who is the brain of computer?
ब्रेन कंप्यूटर किसे कहा जाता है?
Machine.
मशीन.
CPU.
CPU is
CPU is
called the
the
brain of
computer.
computer.
Do you know what is the full form of computer?
I know but I forget. I
know
knew.
but-
मैं जानती थी. I knew
I knew
but I forget. और पूछ लो. Who is the father of
Who is the father of computer?
the father of computer of Charles
Charles
Babbage.
Babbage? चलो सिंपली पे पूछो. उनका सिंगल बेसिस होता है. पूछो.
So can I ask?
पूछो.
Okay.
What is your stream?
What is your stream?
Stream.
My stream is science.
तो दोनों जोर से बोलो ना उधर तक आवाज आए.
What
My-
is your main subject?
My main subject is math.
Why have taken math?
Why you have taken math?
Because
I want to be an engineer. बोलो.
I want to an engineer,
So,
so
I have taken math.
Do you like math?
Yes, I like math.
Oh.
Why do you like math?
Why do you like math?
Because math is very compulsory in forming my future.
बोलो biology is also compulsory.
Biology is also compulsory.
Then why you have not
Why you
taken
have not taken?
biology?
Because I'm not interested by
In
biology.
biology. Why are you not
Why
interested?
you are not
Because
interested? Because
90% girls and boys
90% at girls and boys
at present
at present
interested in biology.
interested in biology.
जोर से बोलो बोलो बस आजकल 90% बायोलॉजी जा रहा है बायोलॉजी ही जा रहा है बोलो
बोले तो I'm not interested by
so
biology.
I am not interested in biology. You want to speak English?
Do you want to speak in English?
Yes, I want to speak.
Why do you want to speak
Why
English?
do you want to speak in English?
Because English is
Necessary.
necessary. So I want to speak to
How
How
can you
can
say
you
that?
say English is very necessary?
Because
because
बोलो क्यों कैसे जरूरी है तुम अपने हिसाब से बोलो My brother
my brother
reads
reads
an English medium school.
an English medium school.
When he
When
faces
he
any problem
face any problem
in any subject
in any subject
except Hindi and Sanskrit,
except Hindi and Sanskrit,
which is in English,
which is in English,
such as science, social science,
social science,
he comes to me
he comes to
and
me
asks me.
and asks me.
That time I face problem,
That time I face problem.
so I can say that
So I can say that
English is very important.
English is very important.
Ask me something.
Do you believe that
Do you believe that
you can be a good engineer
you can be a good engineer?
from village?
From
जोर
village.
से बोलो.
Yes,
I believe that
yes, I believe that
I can be a
I can be a
good engineer.
good engineer.
How can you say that
you can be a good engineer
you can be good?
because बोलो,
Because,
हम पढ़ते हैं मुझे विश्वास है मैं 10 घंटा पढ़ता हूँ
because I believe in himself
that
that
I can be an engineer.
I can be an engineer because
I study
I study
more than 10 hours
more than 10 hours
in a day. ऐसा नहीं पूरे साल में 10 घंटा पढ़ेगा तो गड़बड़ी है ना. अभी वो कहावत बचपन में सुने थे एक व्यक्ति था वो जितना किताब रात भर में छुआ क्या टच किया ठीक है
विद्वान
ओ हाँ पढ़ना उससे सबको ज्ञान हो गया तो आकाश हम लोग को ऐसा मौका मिलता चलो.
How many chapters are in math?
मैथ में कितने सब्जेक्ट हैं क्या पूछा
Chapters कितने खत्म
तो
हो
हाउ मेनी चैप्टर्स आर देयर इन मैथ
कौन class
चुके? In 10th.
10
there are 15
Chapters
chapters
in
in
class
class
10.
Name
10.
them. Name them.
इसका नाम बता दो
Starting
नहीं कुछ बता दो भाई आगे पीछे
probability, trigonometry, real numbers, and
ज्योमेट्री अलजेब्रा
algebra.
बेगूसराय
Relation and function
Etc.
तो 11th में.
जो भी नहीं अलजेब्रा ट्रिगोनोमेट्री तो है ही भाई कभी तो बोल रहा 10th का बहुत बताना है भाई ठीक है यानी व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट चैप्टर इन क्लास 10
What is your favorite subject in class 10th?
Chapter या subject?
इन मैथमेटिक्स
Chap-
ऐसा चैप्टर पूछ सकता है किसी पर्टिकुलर में
My favorite chapter is polynomial and trigonometry.
ठीक है बहुलक क्या है बहु क्या होता
हाँ
है
यही नाम है.
Can you some formulas?
नहीं पढ़ेगा इंग्लिश तो वैसे ही आगे पीछे कर
Yes, I can say some formula. Ask me.
चलो फॉर्मूला पे ना भाई हम खुद ही पूछे नहीं आएगा आठ के विद्यार्थी 10 मिनट हो गया इन दोनों का चलो ठीक बैठ जाओ